Hello and welcome back friends to the channel for knowledge. In today's discussion, we are going to discuss about arithmetic means. Okay? So first, let's begin with what is arithmetic mean or what are arithmetic means. Consider two numbers A and B. Suppose there are two numbers A and B. Now, you are told to insert n quantities in between them. You are told to insert n quantities in between A and B. That means suppose A1, A2, A3 and so on up to AN. These n quantities you have to insert in between A, B. Fine. If this A, then this n quantities and B, they form an AP. AP means arithmetic progression that you have studied in class 10 standard. So if A, this n quantities and B, if all of them together form an arithmetic progression, then these n quantities, A1 up to AN, these are called arithmetic means between A and B. Got the concept? So basically you have two numbers, you have to insert n quantities in between them. If the first number, the n quantities and the last number together they form an arithmetic progression, then we call these n quantities as the arithmetic mean between A and B. Simple. Got it? Let's erase. Now the question is how to calculate this arithmetic means. How to calculate this arithmetic means. So we have A, we have A1, we have A2 and so on. We have AN and B. They are forming AP. Right? So the first term is A. The AP in the AP, the first term is A. There are total number of terms n plus 2 because there are n arithmetic means and two numbers already given. So total number of elements in the AP is n plus 2. So first term equal to A. Number of terms equal to n plus 2 and last term equal to B. Fine. Now we have to find the common difference between the terms using these three information. We have to find the common difference in this AP using these three information. Okay. Now what is the general term of an AP? We know that the nth term of an AP Tn equal to T1 plus n minus 1 into D, where Tn is the nth term, T1 is the first term, n is the number of element in the AP and D is the common ratio. D is the common ratio, that is what we are to find. D is the common ratio. Fine. So here what is the situation? Here the situation is Tn. Here the Tn plus 2th term, because last number of term is n plus 2. So B is the n plus 2th term. So B equal to T1 means first term A plus within bracket. Here n is n plus 2 because total number of term in the AP is n plus 2. So n plus 2 minus 1 into D. We have to find this D only. We have to find this D only. So what is D? D is nothing but B minus A whole divided by n plus 1. N plus 2 minus 1, that is n plus 1. So this is the common difference. Extremely sorry, I have mentioned here the common ratio. This is nothing but the common difference because common ratio is used in case of GP. This is common difference. This is common difference. Okay. So the common difference D is nothing but B minus A by n plus 1. B minus A by n plus 1. Now we have the first term. We have the common difference. What do we need else? Just add 1 by 1. Just add the common difference to the previous term and get the preceding terms. So A1 is the second term of the AP. A1 is the second term of the AP. So A1 is nothing but A plus D. A plus D, that is A plus B minus A by n plus 1. This is A1. What is A2? A2 is the third term. That means this A1 plus D. This A1 plus D will get A2. So A2 is A1 plus D. So what is A1? A1 is already A plus this quantity. So A plus B minus A by n plus 1 plus again D. D means B minus A by n plus 1. So 2 times B minus A by n plus 1. This is A2. What is A3? A3 is nothing but either A2 plus D or A plus 2D. Okay, sorry, A plus 3D because this is the fourth term of the sequence. A3 will be the fourth term of the sequence. So A3 will be nothing but A plus 3D, which is nothing but A plus 3 into B minus A by n plus 1, and so on and so on. Okay, so that is how we find the terms of the arithmetic means. Okay, so this A1 is the arithmetic mean, this A2 is the arithmetic mean, this A3 is the arithmetic mean. How do we get there? We get there by calculating the common difference of this AP series. Okay, common difference of this AP. Fine. I hope this is clear. Let's move on to one problem. Just keep in mind the first term, the last term, and the number of terms in the AP. Okay, these three we need to remember. These three we need to remember. I am just writing the formula for common difference here. D equal to B minus A, last term minus first term by number of terms minus 1. Last term minus first term by number of terms minus 1. So let's solve a problem. What is the problem? The problem is between 1 and 31 are inserted m arithmetic means. The question says between 1 and 31 are inserted m arithmetic means so that the ratio of the seventh and the m minus 1th means is 5:9. Find m. We have to find m. So let's start. So what is told here? first term is 1, first term is 1, last term is 31, number of terms is, number of arithmetic mean is m. Okay, number of arithmetic mean is equal to m. Number of arithmetic mean is equal to m. Fine. So how many terms will be in the AP? There will be m plus 2 many terms in the AP, because 1, then m arithmetic means, and then 31. So there are total m plus 2 elements in the AP. So D will be equal to 31 minus 1 whole divided by total number of elements in the AP, that is m plus 2 minus 1. So this is nothing but 30 by m plus 1. 30 by m plus 1. This is what D is. Now the problem is the ratio between 7th AP and m minus 7th arithmetic mean and m minus 1th arithmetic mean is given as 5:9. So what is the 7th arithmetic mean? The 7th arithmetic mean means that is the 8th term in the AP. 7th arithmetic mean means that is the 8th term in the AP. So the 8th term will be nothing but a plus 7d, right? A plus 7d. That is the 7th arithmetic mean or the 8th term in the AP. Both of them are correct. Divided by the m minus 1th arithmetic mean. That means the mth term of the AP. That means the mth term of the AP. Because m minus 1th arithmetic mean, then mth arithmetic mean, then the last term. Last term is m plus 12th term. So the m minus 1th arithmetic mean is nothing but the mth term in the arithmetic progression. So a plus, what is the mth term in the arithmetic progression? What is the mth term in the arithmetic progression? That is nothing but m minus 1 into d. This ratio is nothing but 5 by 9. Now we have to put a here, d here, a here and d here, and then we have to find the value of m. So this is nothing but a is nothing but 1 plus 7 into 30 by m plus 1 whole divided by, because d is nothing but 30 by m plus 1. D is nothing but 30 by m plus 1. 1 plus, in the denominator 1 plus m minus 1 into 30 by m plus 1 equal to 5 upon 9. We have to solve the equation. If you allow me, I'll erase this part. Let's solve. So this is nothing but, in the numerator, m plus 1 plus 7 into 30 is 210. The denominator in the numerator is m plus 1, the LCM is m plus 1. Also in the denominator, the LCM is m plus 1. So the LCM of numerator and the LCM of denominator will get cancelled. So in the denominator, there will be m plus 1 plus 30 into m minus 1. So that is nothing but 30m minus 30 equal to 5 by 9. Now solve. (9m plus 9 plus 9 into 210, that is 1890. This is equal to, this is 31m minus 29. This is 31m minus 29. So 31 into 5. 31 into 5, 1 the 5. So 155m minus 29 into 5, that is 145. From this we have to find the value of m. From this we have to find the value of m. So from here 146m is equal to, this one will come to this side, this one will come to this side, so 1899 plus 145. So 1900 plus 145 is 1900 plus 145 is 2045, so 2044. So from here m will be 2044 by 146. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Calculate. Calculate. Cancel out by 2. So this is 73. Now 73 1 yes, this is 40. So the value of m will be 40. So the value of m will be 40. That is what we need to find. So the problems are not difficult. Problems are not very much difficult. What you need to know, what you need to use, you need to use the information given in the question. Okay, that means you have first term, you have last term, you have number of arithmetic means, and when you have number of arithmetic means, you have the number in the AP. Use them, find the common difference. Pardon me for using common ratio in the beginning, but this is the common difference because common ratio is used in GP. Okay, so find the common difference and get the arithmetic means one by one by adding them the first term. Hope you understand the video. If you like it, please let us know and subscribe our channel. We'll be updating more videos as soon as possible. Thank you.